This is an ordinary egg. This is Montana. This is a microwave. The egg is going into the bowl. And into the microwave.
How long do we put it in for?
A minute.
No, that's
Okay,
too long.
30 seconds.
How about 10 seconds?
Fine, 10 for now.
I'm nervous. Oh my god.
The content, what's wrong with, pull it out.
I'm scared to touch it.
Doesn't look any different.
Well, put it back. Touch it. Poke it. Poke it.
Hold the,
Okay. Put it back in for a few minutes or a few seconds then.
it's going back in. No.
What? It's in the shell, yeah. We're doing stupid things. Leave us alone. What? Okay. It's gonna explode. We're making it. I'm scared. I'm sitting back here.
It's sizzling. Sizzling.
Why is nothing happening?
Anything's happening here.
Poke it.
It is still an ordinary egg. Just a little warmer.
Okay, put it back. I'm putting in for like 20 seconds. Screw this. Like 25. I'm putting in for 25 seconds.
Put it in for 20. We'll
25.
go up by 5 each time. No, 20.
Okay.
20 seconds.
I'm so stupid.
This is your idea. Nothing's happening. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Is that from the egg? No.
No, that was there before.
It's getting moister.
What's wrong?
It's starting to crack. Okay. I'm putting in for 30 seconds.
Okay. 30 seconds. And it's cracked. What do you think's gonna happen?
Dude, it's gonna explode.
Focus on the egg. It's like a hard-boiled egg.
I think I broke the microwave. Oh, that was amazing.
It's a hard-boiled egg.
Did you get it all? That is just amazing. That was awesome.